As the chill of autumn descends upon our off-grid home, we find ourselves shrouded in the morning mist, a silent witness to nature's gentle transition. Each dawn reveals a canvas painted anew, with whispers of cooler days to come. After attending some recent Granite Borders land care workshops on soil health, it opened the door to understanding the intricacies of our land. So we're going to do some soil testing today. As the first light of dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, our family stirred from our slumber to the gentle melody of birdsong. With each trill and chirp, nature's symphony filled the air, a harmonious blend of sound that greeted us with the promise of a new day. Armed with a simple pH testing kit, we embarked on a journey of discovery, seeking to unveil the mysteries beneath our feet. A teaspoon of soil, some pH indicator fluid, and a sprinkle of white powder unveiled the acidity that lay dormant within our earth. A warm yellow-orange hue spoke volumes, signalling an imbalance we must address. And so, with resolve in our hearts, we sought out Dolomite lime, a humble remedy for our soil's ailment. So we only got enough Dolomite lime for about 3/4 of our shed paddock, and so we'll need to get some more. It can take 6 months to 3 years for Dolomite to work its magic, apparently. Dolomite lime is a limestone compound that contains both magnesium and calcium at ratios of 18 to 23% each. And they not only provide much needed minerals to our soil, but can also raise the pH to make the soil more alkaline. Our thirst for knowledge led us further to acquire an expert pH meter kit from Nutritech Solutions. With careful instructions as our guide, we delved deeper into the science of soil, seeking to nurture and sustain the lifeblood of our homestead. The Thermo Scientific Expert pH Pocket Tester is designed to help you measure water treatment, environmental situations, hydroponics, agriculture, aquaculture, food and beverage, pH levels and temperature. Since we've put the Dolomite down now though, we won't get an accurate reading for about 3 months, so we'll leave it till then to test. As the cool embrace of autumn settles over the land, a gentle mist drapes itself over the granite-covered hills that surround our shed, like a shroud woven from whispers of morning dew. It envelops the landscape and casts an otherworldly glow upon the rugged terrain. With the onset of autumn, we found ourselves facing the daunting task of preparing for the approaching winter. As the air grew colder and the days shorter, the need for warmth became really important, and gathering wood for the fire became a shared responsibility. The shed, our sanctuary, awaited the comforting embrace of crackling firewood against the encroaching cold. Armed with determination and a sense of purpose, we set out together, each member playing our part in the age-old chore of stacking wood. Despite the fact that we don't have a proper woodshed, we worked tirelessly. Our efforts fueled by a shared sense of responsibility and a desire to make sure that we're all comfortable. With each log carefully stacked against the shed, we forged bonds that ran deeper than blood, and as the pile grew higher and the woodshed remained a distant dream, we found solace in the knowledge that together we could weather any storm that came our way. I just love this time of year, and with each passing moment, the world around me seems to come alive, the vibrant colours of the sunrise painting the landscape in shades of amber and gold. The leaves, once vibrant shades of green, now turn red. And generosity graced our doorstep in the form of a bounty from a local farmer. Cucumbers, chilies and capsicums aplenty, and with them I made some relish. It's starting to get down to 5 degrees now. Nature bestowed unexpected gifts upon us. Our volunteer vegetables sprouted from discarded seed from the chooks, a testament to the resilience of life, even after the harshest of conditions. Yet their survival hangs in the balance as winter's icy breath looms on the horizon. As autumn's embrace tightens its grip, we stand united, a family bound by love, resilience, and an unwavering spirit of the Australian wilderness. And though winter's chill may test our resolve, we face it with open hearts and unwavering determination. For in the embrace of nature, we find solace, strength, and the enduring beauty of life's eternal cycle. And as the fire crackled, casting a warm glow upon our humble abode, even the possums dared to draw near. The wild possum mother, her eyes reflecting the flickering flames with a cautious curiosity. A piece of apple held gently in hand, she descended from her hole up in the old gum tree. With cautious steps she approached, her whiskers twitching with anticipation. Mere inches from our outstretched hand, she hesitated, her innate wariness wrestling with a hunger born of survival. In the end, caution won the day, and with a graceful retreat, she vanishes into the night. Yet her presence lingered, a silent testament to the delicate dance between trust and instinct that binds us all. And later, as sleep claimed us and the night grew still, the rustle of leaves outside stirred us from our slumber. We beheld a sight that filled our hearts with warmth, the possum mother returning under the cover of darkness to claim her prize. We also got some Nutrilife Balm from Nutritech Solutions as well. So it's a multi-purpose blend of anaerobic species for soil, compost and plant health. It contains lactic acid bacteria and purple non-sulfur bacteria, plus beneficial yeasts, fermenting fungi and microbial exudates. It's designed to improve plant growth, health and resilience, and it's meant to help with increasing nutrient availability and improving soil structure and water holding capacity. And you can use it in pretty much any growth stage, so the pre-planting, the planting, the vegetative growth, the pre-flowering, flowering, fruit set and filling times as well. It's a brown liquid and it smells a little bit like ginger beer. So we're just using it as a foliar spray. You can also use it as a drip-off plant drench, and you can also use it for to put into your compost pile, and you can also use it as a seed treatment. You can put it into ponds, and you can also use it as a septic treatment, and I believe you can also use it as a cleaner. You should also use protective clothing, gloves and face mask when you're handling and applying these kinds of products. And you should probably do a spray test on a small amount or small area before widespread use. And you should apply just before light rain if possible. So we've diluted it to the maximum amount. So hopefully later on down the track we'll be able to show you how this has helped our plants grow. Let's see how these microbes do. So we've just done the citrus trees, and we'll do the mint and chives.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling.
We immersed ourselves in the timeless rhythm of tending to our beloved garden. With the changing seasons comes a new sense of purpose, a determination to nurture the land that sustained us. And with each application, we felt a deep sense of connection to the land, a recognition of the symbiotic relationship that bound us to the earth and all of its inhabitants. Hopefully this magic potion of resilience and vitality will be a tonic to fortify against the harshness of winter's chill. And with each spray, we felt a sense of empowerment, a belief in our ability to nurture life from the very soil beneath our feet. We've been nurturing a sanctuary, a haven of life and abundance that will hopefully sustain us for many years ahead. And in the quiet moments that followed, amidst the rustle of leaves and the gentle hum of insects, we found solace in the knowledge that we had done our part to care for our land that had given us so much. And as we watched the mist dissipate into the afternoon sun, we knew our garden would stand as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of nature's grace. The native mint that we got from the Indigenous nursery is doing really great. This is almost its third year here. Our lavenders are also on to their third year almost, but this lavender actually has rocks underneath its roots, so it doesn't seem to grow very fast. So our Christmas tree that we got in December is about to face its first winter out here and the frost, so hopefully it survives okay. And now as I look around at the fruits of our labour, the trees heavy with promise, the vegetables volunteering themselves from the earth and the herbs dancing in the breeze. I'm filled with a sense of wonder and awe. Though the winter ahead may be harsh, I still find solace in the beauty of what we've built out here, the sanctuary that we've created amidst the wilderness. And here's some new plants that we got recently, and we've also got some frost cover material as well. So we've put some of the frost cover around some of the trees, but we need to look at deciding which ones need it the most. I find myself reflecting on the journey that brought us to this moment. 2.5 years ago, we arrived with little more than a dream of building a food forest, of cultivating a sanctuary where life could flourish in harmony with the land. In those early days, the road ahead seemed daunting and the challenges insurmountable, yet with each passing season, we toil away tirelessly, our hands in the earth and our hearts ablaze with determination. We planted seeds of hope and nurtured them with care, watching as they took root and flourished beneath the sun's gentle gaze. This wattle tree captures my imagination. I can't wait to see it when it's bigger and it's in full bloom. Its branches adorned with delicate purple leaves that shimmer like jewels in dappled sunlight. I also imagine this orange tree standing tall, with its branches heavy with ripe, juicy oranges just waiting to be plucked. And there is a curry plant in there somewhere amongst all that grass. Amongst the promises of the wattle tree's bloom and the orange tree's abundant fruit, here stands another silent sentinel in our garden, the elegant olive tree. Its slender branches sway gracefully in the breeze, casting dappled shadows on the earth below. Though still in its infancy, the olive tree holds within it the potential for a future harvest of savoury delights, and with each passing season, I watch it grow stronger and more resilient, and its roots digging deep into the earth in search of sustenance and life. The olive tree stands as a symbol of perseverance, a testament to the enduring power of hope and determination. The sweet potatoes are growing, but I'm not sure how they're going to fare when the frost hits us soon. There has been a couple of flowers, and I just thought I'd leave them in the ground to see if they spread. We'll see what happens. I also imagine our crabapple tree bursting forth with abundant flowers and transforming our garden into a picturesque paradise. And in the morning, we'll be taking a trip to welcome some new additions to our family. We hope you will join us.